and welcome to another video. This video will be all about the RGB LED, a different type of LED that's a bit more complicated, but you can do a lot more with it, as you can see here. So this video will talk about the RGB LED, how it works, and how to use code to work it. To build this circuit, you'll be needing your breadboard, 3 220 ohm resistors, 4 wires, your RGB LED, and of course the Arduino. So the way the RGB LED works is it's 3 LEDs merged into one. And you can notice that there are 4 legs to the RGB LED. And if you face it so that the longest leg is the second leg from counting from the left, then that will orient your RGB LED. And the thing about the longest leg is that will be connecting to the ground if you have a common cathode RGB LED. There's another type of RGB LED called the common anode. That's a little bit different, in which case that will be connected to the power supply. However, there's no real way of knowing if you have the cathode or anode. The only way is to just plug it in and check. So this is working with the common cathode. So once you've oriented so that the longest leg is the second, from the left it will be R for red, the longest leg, which will be going to the ground, G, and then B. So if we just put this in our breadboard and we'll just connect 3 of the legs. We don't have to connect the longest legs with a resistor. You can just send that straight to the ground. So for R, G, and B, you'll just get a resistor. After you've got your resistors in, we'll just connect them to our wires. So we have R, this black wire will go to the ground, and we'll use the green wire and blue wire for the G and B. And then we just connect it to the Arduino. So this one will go to the ground. This one will go, we'll make RB pin number 1, GB pin number 2, and blue pin number 3. So that's your circuit, and next we'll learn how to code. So this is the program that we'll be using for the RGB LED. As you can see from the start, we have red pin, green pin, and blue pin all labeled, and they're all set for output. So what we do basically is we send a power from the red pin, the green pin, or the blue pin to the RGB LED. So for example, if we want to make the RGB LED grow red, we go 255 on red and 0 on the other two. Same with green, we just have 255 on green. Blue, we'd have 255. White, we'd have 255 on all of them. And purple, we'd have on both red and blue. So these are just some simple numbers. You can change them. Maybe instead of a green, you might want like a turquoise. So you might have like 100 green, 100 blue. And so you can just experiment with different numbers to try to get different colors that you like. These are just some simple colors that you can use. So this is what the final product should look like. As you saw in the beginning of the video, it should keep changing colors. You can always change the RGB values. You can go online and try to find the perfect color for you, or you can change the distance or the amount of time between the changing of colors. So thank you very much, and next video will be all about the coding and how to improve that.